సర్వీస్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీస్ కి కాకుండా ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీస్ కూడా రావాలి, ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీస్ లో స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్రిఫర్ చేయాలని చెప్పారు. ఇన్ దట్ వే నాకు తెలిసి అందరూ కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ వైపు చాలా ఐఐటీస్ కూడా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపిస్తున్నా కూడా డైరెక్టర్స్, నాకు తెలిసి మీకు ఎక్కడో ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ పైన చాలా గట్టి నమ్మకం ఉంది. ఇండియా షుడ్ థ్రైవ్ ఇన్ దిస్ సెక్టర్ అని కూడా. సో 79 IIM ATM కూడా ఆ ఉద్దేశంలో భాగంగానే ఇక్కడ కండక్ట్ చేశారా? వాట్ ఈస్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ అండ్ మెటలర్జీలో కానివ్వండి, ఇన్ ఆల్ ద ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ ఈ యొక్క కాన్ఫరెన్స్ అనేటువంటిది, ఈ యొక్క ఈవెంట్ అనేటువంటిది ఎలా ఎన్హాన్స్ చేస్తుంది సార్?
సో నేను మెటలర్జిస్ట్ చెప్పాను ముందునే. ఓకే, ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ మై లైఫ్ విత్ పాలిటెక్నిక్, విజయవాడ గవర్నమెంట్ పాలిటెక్నిక్ లో డిప్లొమా మెటలర్జీ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. సో యాజ్ అ పర్సన్ గ్రోస్, మా మెటలర్జీస్ అందరికీ వీ హ్యావ్ అన్ అసోసియేషన్ ఇన్ ఇండియా called Indian Institute of Metals. I grew up as a student, as a part of IIM. I was a student member of IIM when I was in a B.Tech. Then grew up with it. I became a council member and then became a vice president. And this year I am the president of IIM. So as the president of IIM, you have to conduct an annual technical meeting. So this year we deliberately wanted it at IIT Hyderabad so that we wanted to test ourselves. Can we really hold such a meeting? We had almost like 1,800 people participating in this conference. This is the biggest conference ever held at IIT Hyderabad. So we stretched ourselves to see, can we really organize such a conference? Luckily, the facilities that we have built on the campus were useful. We have a lecture hall complex with about 15 lecture halls. So we were able to do 15 parallel sessions in these 15 lecture halls, with one being mostly a plenary session and the remaining 14 lecture halls being a smaller ones, ranging from 80 capacity to 400 capacity. So 14 themes lo parallel sessions conduct chesi in 3 days we had 1,000 papers presented. Okay, this is the largest in the history of IIM. IIM అనేది 1946 లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. 79 years old. Every year they organize this what is called annual technical meeting. This is the 79th annual technical meeting. ఈ 78 years లో ఎప్పుడు ఇంతమంది రావటం అనేది, ఇన్ని పేపర్లు ప్రజెంట్ చేయటం అనేది జరగలేదు. So that way, we feel that they also wanted to see IIT Hyderabad and get benefited by the infrastructure of IIT Hyderabad and the innovation spirit of IIT Hyderabad. We, as you know, possibly we always say, for us IITH stands for inventing and innovating in technology for humanity and stuff. So adi prati chota తీసుకురావాలని మా కోరిక. So that way we were extremely happy that we were able to conduct. We also wanted to, as you rightly said, I am always keen on how do we make our undergraduate students more actually technical. To be honest with you, most of the students nowadays who join, whether they join IIT or NIT, they simply want to possibly, irrespective of the branch they are in, they want to get into a software job and learn some coding here and there and join. So instead, India needs really technological people. But if we can expose these undergraduate students to the real stalwarts of our field, then they start getting, inspired by them. So దాని కోసం ప్రతి సంవత్సరము IIM is always in November. So I have seen this for 30 years now. And then I said that November is the time when our exams are going on. Most of the IITs have exams during November. So I requested the team for the first time, the council, to shift it to December. They agreed to shift. In 79 years, first time our ATM is being organized in December. Why December? Because December is the vacation time. Students' exams are all over. They are free. I wanted to bring the B.Tech students to meet the stalwarts here. Okay, I grew up looking at these stalwarts as a student. So we did was there are about 80 colleges in India which have metallurgy B.Tech. Okay, we wrote to all the colleges and wrote to them saying that you nominate 2 students from each college. Let them come. We will take care of everything free, starting from their travel onwards, everything, so that they come and stay for 3 days and meet the great minds of metallurgy and understand what is all metallurgy about. There's so much happening now in semiconductors, so much happening on critical minerals, and anything that you see has materials content in it. Okay, so as a result, we thought let us bring them. About 200 students came like that. 150 to 200. So I brought about 15 past presidents, former presidents of IIM. So we had illustrious people as former presidents of IIM. We were able to invite them. For the first time, 15 people came to IIT Hyderabad to be a part of this particular IIM. So we had a special session of B.Tech students meeting the former presidents. Okay, so they're all real stalwarts of metallurgy. And అలాంటి వాళ్ళతో ఒక అండర్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ స్టూడెంట్ హూ ఇస్ జస్ట్ అబౌట్ 19-20 years old guy. And we also ensured that I told them, the heads of the departments, out of the two, one should be a girl, I told them. So that we also have inclusivity in mind. So bring them, inspire them with them. So that has really worked out very well. So, and that way they have also been able to come. Industries have come to IIT. Almost 50 exhibition stalls were put by various industries. They also started talking to our faculty members for possible collaboration. So even collaborations will come, and I strongly believe collaborations are a key to growth for any institution, for that matter for any country also. So we want to see how do we work together, particularly with the industry, and to grow. So the particular conference, so it has helped us in that way. A lot of future collaborations are going to come. In fact, JSW is planning to set up a center here. Tata Steel is planning to set up a center here. All these are happening because of these kind of interactions that we have.
Personally, I mean, నమ్మకం కూడా దీనికి added advantage ఏంటిది undoubtedly sir, no doubt in it sir.
Ultimately, we have brilliant faculty. That's what is matters. Okay, we have about 340 faculty with an average age of 40. And really brilliant faculty. So that's what matters to any institution. We are very careful in choosing our faculty. And that is something.
Young faculty, not only young campus, sir. Young IITs, youngest.
Example, just to give you an idea, last year, I mean this year, August, when we completed the interviews for our metallurgy department, we had 350 applications for an assistant professor position. We have selected 2 out of 350. This is tougher than even JEE. I would say JEE lo 2 lakh people, 20 lakh people write the exam, for example, and about 20,000 students are chosen. It's 100:1. So this is almost like 200:1 when we are selecting. When we are taking brilliant students, you have to have brilliant faculty also. So that is something which are very, very conscious about it. We want to bring the best faculty to work with the best students and produce the best results.